Xampp, a widely used cross-platform web server which helps developers to create and test their program on local web server. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install Xampp onto your Ubuntu operating system and start a MySQL server to create a simple database. So to install Xampp onto your Ubuntu operating system, just go to your favorite browser and search for download Xampp, and just go to this first link from apachefriends.org. And down here you can see the Xampp for Linux. So let me just click on this download for latest version. So 8.1.5 is the latest version of Xampp. So let me just click on download. So let me just click on keep. So once this is downloaded, let me just go into the show in folder. So this will directly navigate us to the downloads folder. And if I just right click and click on open in terminal and check the permission of this file. So if I just type ls-al, so this will show this Xampp run file has read and write access only. So we need to make this file executable. So for that we can just type sudo and just type chmod and just type +x and just type xa and just press tab. So this will automatically detect the file name and just click on enter and enter your password. So this will now change the permission of the file into the read, write and executable as well. So now if I just type sudo / and just type xa and press tab, so this will detect this file name and just click on enter. So now this should start the installer. So let me just click on next and just click on next, just press on next. So now this should start installing the Xampp onto our Ubuntu operating system. So once the installation is completed, let me just click on this finish. So before starting the Xampp, so if you have installed MySQL server into your Ubuntu operating system, so first thing you have to stop the MySQL service. So for that just type sudo service and just type MySQL and just type stop and just click enter. So this should stop the MySQL service. Now if I just type sudo /opt and just type lamp, so you can just press on tab. So just lamp, and if I just press on start, so this is showing starting Apache and starting MySQL. So if I just type start again, so you can see, so this has successfully started Apache, MySQL and prof tfd. So if I just go here on browser and just go on localhost and just click enter, so this has successfully started the Xampp, and just click on phpMyAdmin. So you can see these are the databases. So if I want to create new database, I can just click on new and let me just give the name something like demo database, or you can give any name and just click on create. So you can see the demo database has been created. So if I want to create the table, so I can give the table name here. So let me just type something like student and just click on go. So you can see the student table has been created, and you can just give the column name here, so accordingly. So let me just give name and just give something like type into varchar, and let me just type roll and give int, and if I just click on save, so it is saying that enter the valid length. So we just need to give the length as well. So you can give 20, just give 20 and just click on save. So you can see the table with the name student having column name and role has been created. So this is how you install Xampp onto your Ubuntu operating system and also create your first database and table using the Xampp. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.